Hi everybody, Kayla here for some Snappy Science. For this activity, we are going to be making a naked egg. That's right, we're going to be taking away the shell of an egg using chemistry. It's quite a simple experiment to set up. All you're going to need is a container, an egg, and some vinegar. So take your egg, put it into your container, and cover it up with vinegar. And the setup is complete. If your egg starts to float to the top, feel free to use a spoon or a utensil to just rest on top and make sure that the egg stays below the top of the vinegar. But we're done. All we have to do is let it sit. What's actually happening here? The answer is a chemical reaction. Things are being combined together to interact and change into something new. Vinegar is made up of acetic acid and water, and the eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate crystals. When the two interact, the result is water, calcium acetate, which is a salt dissolved in the water, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas that we see as the bubbles here floating up from the eggshell to the top, and it's the same gas that makes up the bubbles that you see in pop. Now, to completely remove the shell, this reaction does take a little bit of time, so you'll need to leave your egg sitting in the vinegar for at least 2 days or 48 hours. My egg over here, I left sitting for a whole week. But once you've waited as long as you can, you'll need to take your egg out of the container and gently wash it to remove any bits that are left over. Remember that the egg is now very delicate without the shell, so be gentle. To clean your egg, gently rinse the egg under running water, wiping to clean it off, and you'll be left with a naked egg. Without the shell, all that's left to hold the egg together is a thin membrane, and that's what makes it so delicate. You'll also see that the naked egg has grown quite a bit when compared with a fresh egg, so make sure your egg has room to grow in its container. It's because the water from the vinegar travels through the membrane to the inside of the egg. My favorite things about the naked egg, though, are that it's a little bit see-through or translucent. You can tell where the yolk is, that it's squishy, and that it's even a little bit bouncy. But now, I leave you with your egg at home to experiment for yourself. Good luck!